Hi guys, so this is the second part of showing you how to insulate your RV on the cheap and easy. So using this insulation on the stairs was a video from last time. Please check it out. I think I'll leave the link down below. And then today we're going to show you how to use this piece of heavy duty tarp along with heavy duty Velcro peel and stick, sticking it onto the pre-cut sheets of tarp. You're going to cut them to size. Make sure you use your measuring tape and see how long you need your tarp to be. You stick one side, doesn't matter whether it's the rough side or the soft side, to the bottom of the RV, and then you stick the opposite side of the Velcro to the pre-cut piece of tarp. And I explained the rest of it a lot better in the video, or at least you can see it a lot better.
So, I was looking for a video like this, but I haven't been able to find it. This is my new covering for the bottom of the RV, and I'm pretty dang thrilled because these things are so expensive to get, and I just used industrial Velcro, and you see how well, it's sticky. The wind is blowing it a bit. I think I might weight it down with a brick, but it's already the skirting, I feel like, has upgraded the appearance of this back area. And, you know, not that appearances are everything, but we want to have some people back here, and it's just nice when things look nice, right? So here you see I've already put the Velcro again. Can you see it? I decided to go with the curve there, and it's all underneath here. Can you see it? I don't think it really matters if it's this side down or the tougher side. And then here I apply this, and I got I believe 40 feet, which should do the back completely, but I'm gonna need to get more tarp. So I got 40 feet of this and rolls, pretty economical, and I believe from Walmart. I have to check that later and see if you guys want the information. Let me know. But it's industrial strength. It's white too, and you got the white tarp. Cut it up in thirds, and this is what we got. I think it's gonna be just about enough to cover this back area, at least the hot spots that look the craziest, because we really use the underneath of our RV as storage. Quick hack, I have these anchors hanging around, and the bottom of the tarp, another plus to putting the holes at the bottom of this tarp closure. Stick it down the ground, and that should hold it a bit and keep it from blowing when the wind blows, and remaining the enclosure we want it to be. And that is not half bad. Obviously I have to come back here with pieces, longer pieces, to get these side parts. These are for cosmetics, but I think this is really going to help in the winter time, keeping the cool out, and in the summertime keeping the cool in. So I gotta do these other ones, obviously.